G'day everyone and welcome to another exciting episode of My Kamat's Cooks. Today is just a quick video. I'm going to show you how to make guacamole. In another video later I will show you how to make nachos, guacamole, natural friends. So you should tune in on the nachos video, see these two get together and see how they hit it off. You'll love it. Hope you like this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that I can grow my channel. I would really appreciate that. Now, as usual, let's start with the ingredients for the guacamole, which are over here. Okay, this is a fully fledged guacamole, not a simple one. It's got all the good ingredients. So a couple of Hass avocados, some grated cheese, cheddar cheese, spring onions, chopped tomato, sour cream, Tabasco sauce, a couple of cloves of garlic, and some lime juice. That's all your ingredients there. Now let's see how to put them together. Okay, so take your avocados, slice them round with a pip, give it a twist to separate it, take the pip out, another twist, beautiful. Nice ripe avocados is what you want, something fairly soft. Avocado number 2. Okay, so there we have 2 small avocados in the bowl. There's really nothing much to tell you here. You just add everything and mix it together, basically. So, garlic, sour cream, about 1.5 tablespoons. Garlic was about 2 small cloves, I'll put this in last. Tomato. And you just mix it all together. I should have saved the tomato, put the tomato in after I did this bit of mincing action. Got a bit carried away there. Anyway, I keep the tomato on the side, mix up the avocado and the sour cream. Okay, then I can mix the tomato with that. It doesn't have to be minced too finely. It's alright to have it a little bit coarse, this guacamole. Okay, we have cheese. This is about 1/2 cup of cheese, or a small handful. Grated cheddar. Stir through. It's so rich and lovely, this guacamole, but what you've got to do, and this is what I'm doing here, you make this first, because as I said later I'm making nachos, so you've got to make this first. Even if you're just doing this as a dip for a party or a dinner party or whatever, make it, let it sit in the fridge for quite a while, 1 hour, 2 hours maybe maximum, to let all the flavors get through. Speaking of flavours, let's finish off with all the flavours. A little bit of salt, a bit of freshly ground black pepper. Sorry, the camera's low, but you can't see the countertop if I don't have it like this. And which would you rather see, the food or me? I know, the food, I know. Okay, that's a good bit of pepper, probably about 1/2 teaspoonful. Now again, about 1/2 teaspoonful of Tabasco. Gives it a good kick. Okay. Lime juice. I've got a very small lime here. Normally you put about the juice of 1/2 a lime in. They're so small I'll be putting all this in. That's almost all the ingredients. Give it a final mix here. Put in a good sprinkle of spring onions to bring all the flavours together. So now I'll put that in the fridge for about an hour so all the flavours will get right the way through, and by the time I make the nachos this will be ready to serve with them. Okay? So the next step now is to put a bit of the guacamole, which I prepared earlier. What do you reckon, huh? That is going to be delicious, I know it. Okay. I'll see who I can find for a taste test. Okay, so here we go with the taste test now, and Sandman's not feeling the best today, so I've got a special friend who's come to join me for the taste test, and he does a bit of cooking himself, so he knows a bit about food, so let's see what he says. Eddie! He's ready! Eddie is ready.
Fork it up. What's up, guys?
So,
and these
homemade guacamole.
Guaca. Oh, that's
okay, so this is what you do. You get a bit of everything onto your tortilla chip. Bit more of this refried beans.
The beans look different though. They don't look very normal.
Yeah, well, I'll put extra things in with the beans as well. So if you want to know what's in there, you have to watch the video.
Yeah, I have to go.
Okay,
I have to.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Yeah, go.
I like it.
I love it.
Good. Have some more.
So if this were in an Indian household, there'd be a shitload of chilies, bro. You know what I'm saying? Chopped chilies.
Yeah,
but this is good. I like it, man. Keep doing it.
Good.
Awesome.
Mate. Thank you very much. Okay, so that's the end of another video for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe.
Do your thing.
And we'll see you next time for another episode.
Ciao, guys.
Thanks, Eddie. Cheers, man. Oh, yeah, better do the right thing.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.